Hello guys, welcome back to Concept Based YouTube channel. So today we're going to discuss about how to convert or how to make some numbers in the form of fractions or in the form of rational number. Okay, so in order to do this, whatever numbers that it is given or whatever decimal expansions it is given like this, so we have to express in the form of p by q. Okay, so if we can express in the form of p by q, that means that numbers belong to rational number. Okay, so let us start for that. So firstly we are given with some decimal expansions. Okay, so that is 0.333. Okay, so actually we have seen that there is some bar just above this. Okay, so this is known as bar. Okay, so if it gives like this, that means the number is non-terminating and recurring. Okay, so this kind of numbers we can make it in short form, that is by using this. Okay, so if we use it if we use it this, that means it represents the whole decimal expansions, which is unending. Okay, this number we are going to make it in the form of p by q. In order to do this, we have some process, we have to apply that some process. Now let us try that. Solution. Okay, actually it is example 7. So solution, let x equal to how much? 0.333. Okay, so it goes on like this, but we can take it what? We can take it 0.3 bar. If it is bar, then it represents the whole process, which is unending. Okay, then you have to know or one thing, that is how much number or how many numbers is under this bar. Here we have only one digit, that means we have to multiply with 10. Okay, if the numbers which is under this bar is two digit, that means you have to multiply with that number with 100. Okay, so it goes on like this. If it is three digit, that means you have to multiply with 1000, and it goes on like this. Since it is one digit which is under this bar, so you have to multiply with both side by 10. Okay, so here it also be multiply with 10. Okay, so x into 10 will give you how much? 10x. So how much will it be? 3.333 bar. Okay, so you have to do it like this. 10x equal to 3 plus, so here there is point, so at this point you have to make it in the form of plus. Okay, so in order to make this, you have to see this one. Okay, so 3.333. Okay, so if you were going to make this one in the form of plus, then how should you do? You have to do it like this. Okay, 3 plus 0.33. Okay, that means you just break this point into some term. Okay, you just break this point into some addition term. Now if you break this, that means you will get some numbers. If you break this, you will get some numbers, that means 0.333 bar. Okay, so 10x equal to 3 plus how much? How can I write this? That means 3 bar. Okay, 10x equal to how much? 3 plus, so 0.3. Here how much it is? 0.3 bar equal to x. So instead of this, in place of this, we can write x. So if you move or if you transfer this x on that side, that it will become minus x equal to 3. Okay, so 10x minus x will give you 9x equal to 3. Okay, so x will be equal to how much? 3. So here it is multiply. If it move on that side, that it will become divide. Okay, 3 by 9, so 3 times 3 will give you 9. Okay, so x is equal to how much? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is in the form of fraction. That means what is the value of x? That means 0.33 bar. 0.33 bar is equal to 1 by 3. That means what that means whatever the question has asked us to do, we did it. Okay, the question has asked us this number to be made in the form of fractions or in the form of rational, so we just convert it or we just made it. So this is the last part. Okay, in this problem, what is the values of x? X is equal to 0.3 bar equal to 1 by 3. Okay, actually the question has asked us to make this number in the form of p by q. Okay, in order to make it this number in the form of in rational number. Okay, so we just made it this is the conditions of p by q. Thus we can conclude that this number is a rational number, and moreover we can express this decimal expansions in the form of p by q. Okay, so that's it, and then one more. So let us check whether our problem that is solved is true, correct or not. Okay, so how much did we got s in the form of p by q? That is 1 by 3. Okay, so just divide 1 by 3. Okay, so 3 1. So here just add 1 point, so that is 10. 3 times 3 will give you 9, so 10 minus 9 will be equal to 1. So here it is point, so it will be 0 here again, so 3 times 3 will give you 9, so here it will be 1. 3 times 3 will give you how much? 9. Okay, so it'll go on like this. So actually we got the same process here. Okay, by using this you can get this one, by using this you can make some fractions or you can make it in the form of p by q. Okay, so that's it. What the question has asked us, the question has asked us to show this number to represent in the form of p by q. Okay, we already represent it. This is the answer. Okay, so everyone is understanding this problem. If it is yes, and then we're going to move it to the next question in the last class, in the next classes. Okay, if there is no problem, then that's it for today. Thank you.